In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Stockcharts Predefined Scans. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find these scans, how to open them, and how to view the matching symbols so you can move from idea to actionable lists in just a few clicks. Start by logging in at stockcharts.com. Having an active session ensures you see the full scanning tools and live counts. Once you're in, look to the top menu and head to Scans and Alerts. Then choose Predefined Scans. This takes you to a dedicated page that's packed with ready-to-run scans designed by Stockcharts. Think of this page as a curated library. You'll see categories that include technical setups, classic candlestick patterns, and even point and figure patterns. Each scan is built with a specific set of criteria, so you don't have to write any code or create filters from scratch. Take a moment to browse the table and read the scan names. The titles are usually clear and goal-oriented, like new 52-week highs or strong volume gainers, which quickly tells you what each scan is targeting. Next to each scan name, you'll notice columns for different market universes, such as NYSE and NASDAQ, with a number in each column. That number represents how many symbols currently match the criteria within that exchange. It's a fast way to gauge market breadth for that particular setup. When you're ready to see the actual symbols, click the number in the results column for the universe you want. For example, if you're focused on large-cap established names, you might click the NYSE count. If you're more growth-oriented, you might choose NASDAQ. The site will open a list of symbols that meet the scan's rules in that specific universe. This list is your actionable output. It shows the tickers that currently fit the predefined conditions, allowing you to move straight into your own analysis or chart review. If you see a larger number in one universe than another, that simply reflects where the pattern is more prevalent at the moment. And if a number is 0, it means no symbols meet the criteria right now, which can happen with more selective scans or during quieter market periods. The key is to use these counts as a quick pulse check, then open the list that aligns with your focus. That's all there is to it. Log in, navigate to predefined scans, choose the scan that fits your objective, and click the results number for your desired exchange to view the matching symbols. Simple, fast, and effective.